Hey friend, you are back with the Aries Alchemist for another general tarot reading. Today I'm doing fire signs. Right now we are on Sagittarius. So if you are a Sagittarius, sun, moon, or rising, something in this will be for you. So far we have the Nine of Pentacles in reverse, the Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords. I just started thinking about cooking breakfast. That's what I'm going to do after this video. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Lots of Pentacles. World card in reverse. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Five of Wands in reverse and the Hanged Man in reverse. So right now you're just not very happy with things that are going on in your life necessarily. You are okay with your actual home itself. Like you feel like you are nurturing enough and you're clear-minded and things in your home are clear. And it does feel like a home versus it feels like a house. But there's just something missing. There's some type of like unfinished business. For some of you, it's not even that deep. It's just like if you would decorate, like you've been living there for a while and you haven't painted or anything like that, that would really help boost your spirits. For others of you, it's someone's energy that's still in your home that you have disconnected from. That's just kind of messing up the vibe, so to speak. So all that you really need to do right now is uncord from them and clear out that energy from your house. Let's pull a couple oracles for you. I do my readings in front of my bedroom window, so I always get distracted, like just looking at the birds while I do the cards. Just hanging out in that tree. And I can hear people slipping and sliding around in the snow and ice. Okay, so you got, what are you being called to journey to? And empath, highly sensitive, connect with nature, get grounded. So for some of you, you're being called to decorate your home with more like nature type vibes to help you get and stay grounded. So I'm seeing that a lot of you have like hardwood floors, so a lot of house plants would really help. A sun lamp would help. Hanging like not rosemary, lavender and eucalyptus in your bathroom would help a lot. You just need more like living things inside of your living space for you to be able to stay grounded, and for you to open the windows and the door more open to just make sure that that energy is flowing in and out a lot better. But that is what I have for you guys. If anything resonated, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I do drop new videos every single day. And if you'd like a personal reading, you can book one through the link in the description. All right, y'all. Peace.